My name is Bruce Cohen, and I'm a lawyer. And today I'm talking about the Family Medical Leave Act, a law that was passed by Congress. This is a law that protects workers who need to be off from work due to an illness of themselves or certain family members. Under the law, if you work for a company that's large enough to be covered by the Family Medical Leave Act, you're entitled to up to 90 days off from work. And during that time, the employer should not fire you from work just because you're taking family medical leave. Problem arises, as I've seen lately, that workers are being terminated on day 91 or soon after the 90 days. That creates a big problem for these workers. Many have been employed for 10, 20, 30 years with the same employer, and they're being let go after 90 days because the Family Medical Leave Act expired. Now, does that give the employer a right to fire you if you need to be off for more than 90 days? Well, the answer in my view is no. And my view is that employers are engaging in rather risky behavior and opening the door for lawsuits and EEOC complaints by terminating these workers. What to do? If you're not going to be able to return within 90 days from work because you've had surgery or you've had a heart attack or you've got cancer or any other serious illnesses, then you need to do some planning and you need to take some action. In some cases, people can return to work with light duty. But just because the doctor is giving you a letter for light duty does not mean the employer has to take you back or accommodate you. The best situation is if you can get a full release to return to work within the 90 days before your FMLA expires. But if that's not going to happen, you really need to do some serious planning with an attorney to try to protect your rights, because otherwise the employers know all the rules and you could be terminated from your job, and it doesn't matter how long you've worked there. Now, there is some hope. For workers who are terminated after the 90th day, they could have a case under the Americans with Disabilities Act. We represent people in bringing those types of claims. But the purpose of my talking to you today is so you can protect your legal rights and take some action before the 90th day if you know you can't go back to work. Don't just sit there and allow yourself to be fired, because there are things you can do. And we assist people in protecting their rights and taking action. And ultimately, if you are fired, you could file a complaint with the EEOC under the Americans with Disabilities Act, and our law firm assists people in bringing those claims.